Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a dashed or dotted line in Photoshop. So let's create a new document first. Let's give it a dimensions of 500 by 500 pixels. So here it is. If we create the new layer, and now if we select the pencil tool, and with the white color, make sure that the whatever line you're going to be creating, it has to have the same color as the background. So we're going to reset our palette here, make sure that the foreground is white, and we're going to create the line from the top to the bottom by holding shift and clicking and dragging. Okay, so our line is here. If we remove this, you can see the background, you can see that the line's been created. Now we create the new document, so file, new. Because it's vertical line, we need to create the new document of the dimensions of 1 pixel width, and the height will be, say, 5 pixels. Now that we have this document created, let's select our pencil, which is already here. Let's pick some nice gray color, create a new layer, and let's pencil first 3 pixels from the top. We can now unlock the background layer by double clicking on it, clicking OK, and simply removing it. Okay, we've removed the background. We have only layer with the gray 3 pixels. Now if we go to edit, define pattern, and we're going to call this pattern vertical dashed line, and hit OK. Now we can close this document. We don't need to save anything. Now with our layer with the line still selected, if we go to the effects and we apply the pattern, so pattern overlay. If we click on the pattern and select the pattern which we've just created, click on OK, you can see we have created a vertical dashed line. Okay, so this is the vertical line. Now we create the new layer and we want to create the horizontal line. Again, we have to reset our colors palette, reverse it so that the foreground is white, and let's create the horizontal line, white line as well, obviously. Now what we're doing, we are creating a new document. This time we're going to create 5 width and height one, and exactly same situation, only obviously this time we're going to do it horizontally. So again, new layer, let's pick the color, some gray color, and let's color the first 3 pixels, double click on the background to unlock it and remove it. Now we go to edit, define pattern, horizontal pattern, that's okay. Okay, and now that we have the pattern defined, we can close this document as well. We don't need to save anything. With our horizontal lines layer still selected, go to effect, pattern overlay, and select our latest pattern. And now we have horizontal and vertical dashed line. Obviously, if you want to make a dotted line, then obviously create the new document and simply make it, we can leave it as it is at the moment, and just make sure that you simply use 1 pixel. So new line, new layer, sorry, and just 1 pixel. If you want to, obviously the gaps between the dots being smaller, then obviously resize. Let's crop this document to, let's say, just 2 pixels after, so 3 pixels altogether. Oh, actually I had the value defined here, so I need to remove this. Let's do this just 3 pixel document, so it's gonna be pixel, 2 pixels blank, and then pixel again, and so on. Okay, now unlock the background, remove it, define the pattern, horizontal 1 pix. Okay, 1 pixel horizontal. Now we can apply this onto this previously created layer. So now you can see, rather than having this dashed line, we have a dotted line. So basically that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll speak to you soon.